So this video tutorial focuses on the mathematical strand of number, and more specifically focuses on multiples and factors. So what is a multiple? Well, a multiple is a resulting number of multiplying any number by another number. And what does that mean? Basically that means if we're looking at the multiples of 6, okay, we could have 6 times 1 and that would give us 6. Or we could have 6 times 2 and that would be 12. Or we could have 6 times 3 and that would be 18. And basically we could go straight along the 6 times tables, getting 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, and we would just keep going. And all of those numbers would be multiples of 6. So what's a factor? Well, a factor is a number that divides exactly into another given number. So if we look at the number 6 again, and we say, what are the factors of 6? Well, we know that 6 can be divided by 6 because that gives us 1. We know 6 can be divided by 2 and that gives us 3. We know 6 can be divided by 3 and that gives us 2, and we know that 6 can be divided by 1 and that gives us 6. So we can say that the factors of 6 are 6, 2, 3 and 1 because all of those numbers go exactly into 6. Here are some practice questions. Now, I'd like you to pause the video and have a go at these practice questions. Once you've had a go at them, can you resume the video and it will take you to the answer slide. So let's see how you went. The first question said, what are the first 4 multiples of 8? Well, we know that 8 times 1 gives us 8. 8 times 2 gives us 16. 8 times 3 gives us 24, and 8 times 4 gives us 32. So we can say the first 4 multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, and 32. Now the second question said, what are the factors of 24? So these are numbers that go exactly into 24. Well, we know 24 can be divided by 1, and that gives us 24. So 1's our first factor. We know that 24 can be divided by 2, which gives us 12. So we can say that 2 is our next factor. 24 can also be divided by 3, which gives us 8. So 3 is a factor. And 24 can be divided by 4, which gives us 6. So therefore 4 is a factor. Now, what we can also do is we can say, looking at these pairs, if we rearrange that and went 24 divided by 6, we would get 4. So therefore we can say that 6 is also a factor. We can rearrange this one and go 24 divided by 8 would give us 3. So we can write 8 as a factor. We can rearrange the second one we did, which was 24 divided by 12, that would give us 2. So we can say we have a factor of 12. And we can rearrange the first equation we did, which was 24. We can change it to 24 divided by 24, and that would give us 1. So we can say the factors 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24.